WATNA, understanding your worst-case scenario. WATNA, understanding your worst-case scenario. What is WATNA? WATNA stands for Worst Alternative to a Negotiated Agreement. It is the least desirable outcome you face in your mediation. Understanding your WATNA is critical for realistic negotiation. It is not what you expect will happen, but the least favorable possibility. WATNA is the worst possible outcome you could face if no agreement is reached. WATNA serves as a benchmark to evaluate potential agreements. You should consider factors like financial costs, legal implications, reputational damage, and emotional distress. How to determine your WATNA. Step 1. List all your options if you walk away from a table. Step 2. Assess the negative consequences of each option. Finally, choose the option with the least negative consequences, or the one you would be willing to settle for. Knowing your WATNA is knowing your worst-case scenario. Understanding the opposition's WATNA is to assess their least desirable option. Your goal is to avoid reaching your worst-case scenario in negotiation. Understanding your WATNA helps you negotiate well and avoid undesirable outcomes. We hope you enjoyed learning about using WATNA in mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people